Yesterday I was lucky enough to receive one of these in the post. It's a beautiful 2-in-1 pick for lever locks, uncurtained, made by Mr. Nick Urquhart. Nick, thanks ever so much for letting me have one of these. This is beautiful, all silver soldered by hand. Materials are lovely. The design tolerances, I mean, it just absolutely flawless. Yeah, I've been playing around with this all morning. I don't generally pick level locks. I've only started doing them in the last few weeks and they've been curtained. So this has been nice fun. I've got a 3-lever union here. I don't have a key for it, but I've been playing about with this most of the morning. Now, at this stage, as I say, I have been playing around with this most of the morning. So my hands are a little tired. So I'm just going to add on an extra bar here to help tensioning, just so my hands don't get quite so sore. And we will have a wee pick. Let's just get on lever 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, a little core shift. And there we go, we are open. Absolutely fab. I'm going to try and see if we can lock it up now. Locking up actually took me a wee while longer. I noticed that if you put the tool right to the back, it's almost impossible to get any tension on the levers. And you just pull it to the front of the catch on the back. And then I started to get tension when I wanted it. So let's see if we can get this closed. Again, we're just going to tap the levers up. And we're locked. So that has been absolutely a hoot playing with it this morning. If I can get it out of here, we will just give you one more look at that. Yeah, absolutely lovely tool. Thank you very much, Nick. Really appreciated. Love your work. Cheers.